Hello friends, I hope you're all well. In today's vlog, we're gonna make some lunch. We are making some pasta. So in one pan, I'm actually boiling some water. And then once the water is a little warm, I'm gonna add these macaroni. Pasta actually just had a little bit, half a packet actually left. It's quite small and it cooked very fast as well. So once that was done, and then I started to prepare some veggies to make a sauce. Here I'm cutting some onions, some garlic, ginger, and the spring onions as well, and then some leftover chicken. I had some leftover chicken, so I added that as well. It tastes it's actually better to use the leftover food so it doesn't go to waste and you can make a new dish out of it as well. Now in the same pan I'm going to make the sauce. So here I'm taking a little oil. Add our onions and we are gonna soft fry them, so just to change their color, not to fry them too much, just a tiny bit. It gives you a nice flavor with the onions in the sauce actually. So once the onions are done, then I'm adding our ginger garlic, also a little green chili, just to give it a little kick. It wasn't actually too spicy, to be honest. And once that was done, I had the chicken that was left over, as I said, so I'm adding that chicken in there as well. Then we are gonna cook everything together to release the flavors out. We're gonna cook them for a little while, just for 5 or 10 minutes. After cooking them for a little while, we will start adding some spices. Here I'm adding some salt, some pepper, red chili, and maybe a little turmeric as well. And then we will cook everything together so the spices also release the flavor out. It's better to have a little bit of spices, not too much, because pasta tastes better without too much of the spices in it. But you can also add a little bit of soya sauce in it. I have actually seen when you add soya sauce in the pasta, it actually gives a little different texture, which is nice, and the flavor is also good. So I just added like few drops of soya sauce in it, and now I'm cooking everything together just for a few minutes. And then I will add the red sauce, which is your tomato sauce. You can add any tomato sauce you like, the fresh tomatoes as well, it will taste better too, but I like using the one in the jar. And then I'm adding my pasta in it that was already cooked. This was the macaroni pasta, and they were quite small actually. So now I'm just mixing everything together. After mixing everything together, I'm gonna leave it to cook for a few minutes actually, with the lid on, so it actually just release all the flavors out. Once it was done, I'm actually adding some black pepper. I'm also going to add some spring onions on it, and there our pasta is all done. It's ready. I'm also going to add some coriander to give it extra flavor. So that's our quick pasta for lunch is ready, and I hope you like the video. Please let me know in the comments. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye.